Hello. I know it's been a while. Anyway, so I had a little bit of a surgery, and anyway, I have been purchasing some things to put up in the RV. That's where I'm at right now, is in the RV. Got some ideas of some changes I want to make, and it's a mess in here right now, but it will eventually all come together, I hope. Anyway, so little by little, I'll be making videos to kind of show you what I've got going, but right now I'm going to show you my mess. So this is, or are, going to be the new curtains for the RV that go into the bathroom. I just have them up there. I don't have them set in place. They're just kind of hanging up here. Kind of a linen type of material, cottony. Nothing going on in here yet. Lots of greenery coming in. Lots of new little decorations. We'll put a candle in there. Let's see. I'm not sure. Oh, these are some, like, I can't bend that far. Hold on. These are some canvas bags to slide under the bed for storage. Just things I brought in from the house. More greenery, flowers. A little picture that I want to get put up. It's made out of metal. Macrame, I don't know where I'm going to put it. More curtains. More greenery. Flowers, stickers. This is a, no, this is it. This is a little, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's a little mouse hole that I'll put on a wall somewhere. But like I said, you'll see all this. Like I said, you'll see all of this as time goes by. I've been putting stuff up as I can. Kind of still hard to get around. This, oh, let me plug it in before I show you. Okay, I'll start over. The greenery. And then this, I got it a little bit before I had surgery. But it's my cute, tiny little chandelier. It's pretty small. I mean, as you can tell from those plugs up there, it's not very big at all. Anyway, I'm real excited about that. Got myself a brand new little stapler to put my greenery up. I have a new bedspread, duvet, comforter. I don't know what it's called, but I've got it. And this tile that's up in the kitchen, it used to be white, and why it has turned yellow, I don't know, but I can't stand it. Let's turn the light on. Yeah, don't like it. See, that's white and that's yellow. So I got some copper tiles that are huge that I'm going to put up just on this wall here where the kitchen is, nowhere else. Anyway, so yeah, and I got a new cute little teapot. I love it. I took it with me to the hotel when I had a surgical procedure, and then I took it. I've been using it a lot after I had the other surgery. I had two. There was one right there, I think. Anyway, I had another one about a week ago that I'm still struggling with the stitches, but it's right on my spine. Yeah, that's really been no fun at all, having stitches right on your spine. But anyway, this thing, I don't know if you can see, let me turn this around. It's supposed to, oh, it is stuck pretty good, but this is a magnet, and my phone sticks to it so that, I'll show you. Hurry on, Lori. Here we go. Anyway, it just suction cups down onto anything, any flat surface, and I can walk away from the phone and do my thing. Anyway, okay, well that's enough for today. I just wanted to bring, what did I bring out? Still kind of goofy. I brought some stuff out here. Oh, this other little picture. Let me show you. Get this flower out of the way. It's a kind of a little oceany thing. Haven't figured out where I'm gonna put it, but brought that out. Oh, I brought a cord out for my camera, security camera for the RV. I don't remember what all I brought out, but anyway, I gotta take this in with me. Okay, anyway, that's it for today, people. I will try and get myself together over the next couple of days and update you a little bit more. I'd love to take a trip, but I don't think it's going to happen for a day or two. Still loving my log cabin wallpaper. It's so pretty. I just love it. Anyway, okay, that's it for today. I know this is a short one, but it's more than I've put out in the past 6 months. Anyway, I'm going back in, gonna lay down, and I will talk to you all later. Thanks.